Department of Education's preparedness with the opening of classes on August 24. To give us more details, Mean Los Baños is now on the line. Mean, good afternoon. Could you tell us about the enrollment turnout for the upcoming school year?
Yes, good afternoon, Charles. The DepEd reported during the Senate hearing today that as of 5:30 p.m. yesterday, there are already 23 million students enrolled in both public and private schools. This is equivalent to 83% of their total enrollment last year. This figure is higher than the department's target enrollees, as they expected a lower turnout due to the pandemic. Private schools have suffered a huge loss after almost 400,000 students transferred to public schools. The Coordinating Council of Private Educational Associations, or COCOPEA, said private schools won't even reach 50% of their usual number of enrollees. This means their technology for online learning will be unutilized, as well as the teachers who already trained for the new setup. Meanwhile, the DepEd admitted that public schools also lost a number of enrollees. In today's hearing, the agency told lawmakers that the pandemic has resulted in around 4 million out-of-school youth. Senators asked the DepEd if there is a possibility to postpone the opening of classes on August 24. Senator Gatchalian, chairman of the Senate Committee on Basic Education, explained that teachers cannot distribute the learning modules in areas under modified MECQ. Gatchalian added that by the time we know if it will be extended or not, there are only 5 days left. Thus, the senators recommend postponing the school opening in areas where MECQ will likely continue, such as NCR. Charles, DepEd officials said only Secretary Briones can make this recommendation. They expect that Briones will have a meeting with President Rodrigo Duterte soon. Charles?
Thanks for that, Mean. That's News 5 correspondent Mean Los Baños. Here are other stories we are keeping our eyes on. 2 more employees of the House of Representatives have tested positive for COVID-19. Secretary General Jose Luis Montales says the first new case is from the House Committee on Rules, while the other works for the grounds maintenance crew. The Interior Department mulls charges against the person who proliferated false information attributed to Secretary Eduardo Año about practicing physical distancing after sexual intercourse. In an interview with One News's Agenda, DILG spokesperson Jonathan Malaya said authorities are tracing the author of the post. And people in New Zealand are seen rushing to the supermarkets to stock up on supplies after the country announced 4 new COVID-19 cases. The fresh infections are the first evidence of domestic transmission in the country after being free of the virus for 102 days. For more updates, follow News 5, the Philippine Star, and Business World online. Visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. And you can also catch One News on the Signal Play app. Just register for a free account at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. We now throw you back to the House Committee hearing on the supposed anomalies in PhilHealth. I'm Charles Lejano. We are One News.